What's the meaning of cleaning? Cleaning. Cleaning.
Cleaning. Cleaning. Cleaning refers to the process of removing dirt, stains, and other unwanted substances from a surface or object. The end result of cleaning is a clearer, more hygienic, and visually pleasing environment. Cleaning can improve air quality by removing dust particles, help prevent the spread of germs and bacteria, and increase the lifespan of objects and surfaces. Whether it is tidying up a room or washing a car, cleaning can create a sense of order and cleanliness that contributes positively to both physical and mental well-being.